I'm not ready.
Not ready. Okay, let's get
I
ready.
will be.
You're gonna do it.
Gonna do before, after. Right before. Okay. Wait till after. Good Dakar. It's not flat anymore. No. See that shape? It's still long, you only get short, but I don't want to cut hair off, let's say cut hair off, you know that? Yeah, just I'm growing my hair. Are you growing my hair? I want what you've got. I want this.
Okay, let's do that. So
I'll meet you halfway.
I'm shorter now, you catch up.
I'll meet you halfway.
It's the balance, yeah? But you have to keep that curly one. Curly bit. I go straight. Oh, this is short enough.
It's changed.
Yeah, absolutely short.
It's changed big time.
It works better if the rest is
Just that was good.
too long.
Yeah, this is different from any cut before. Did the man time.
Ooh.
Your hair will
What's
work
that?
better longer.
Okay.
Some hairspray, reality control.
Look. We haven't got the photo shooting, but the video.
Look.
Okay.
Tokyo, new Tokyo. Aki-san. New Tokyo. Better.
It's a new Tokyo. That sounds like a Chinese restaurant.
Yeah.
How about the top?
Yeah, no, I'm getting there.
Oh, okay. New Tokyo.
When I wake up in the morning light.
Oh, that's different. That's different.
Yeah,
That's
see that?
Yeah, that's different. Still wild.
Young finish.
Alright, thank you.
I said I could cut it long, but I like it longer.
I know. Got the volume.
Yeah. So I shared that area.
I need more hairs on the top too. I can give you some.
I haven't got any. I'm taking yours.
Oh, somebody cleaned up my
Look
hairs.
at that now.
That needs to come back, otherwise
It's changed. You look bohemian now. Look at that. So I can do a little bit more.
so that's why it will look different. You're not going to always get used to it.
Okay.
Because the only way to get used to it is to give it time and work with it. Otherwise, I want that, you know what I like.
That means before I was worse, wasn't it?
Have a look.
How does it look on the back?
Stand, I'll show you. Stand. Look. See, the whole point is supposed to be, look, it's not you.
As I said, you've got like my neck. As I said, it's the longest I've seen your hair today. It's the heaviest I've seen your hair. Yes. Otherwise, try to get something different.
It's not you anymore.
Oh, I like it.
It's you, but it's not you.
It's not unexpected.
But I can't do the same thing every time. And I don't want to cut your hair off. Look at that now. That looks wicked. It's a different texture hair. What I've done is given you loads of texture to show you what you can get. That looks... Yes, that's working really well. That's what I was after. It's either going to be blunt cut or this. This works. It's not you anymore.
New Tokyo.
New Tokyo. Yeah.
New Tokyo. Yeah.
Tokyo now, Vietnam.
New Tokyo. No, not Vietnam.
Okay,
I'll take a selfie.